Cummings Plumbing discusses how the rise of smart pipe technologies are revolutionizing plumbing systems. As the global demand for sustainable solutions continues to increase, more and more businesses are turning to smart pipe technologies when updating their plumbing systems. Cummings Plumbing looks at the various components of smart pipes and their potential to change how we think about plumbing projects going forward. Smart pipe technology is a system that monitors and controls water flow and usage through sensors and software, which offers benefits for both homes and businesses. The newest innovation in plumbing systems offers many advantages over their traditional counterparts. These high-tech pipes are equipped with sensors that can detect leaks or damage to pipes, reducing the likelihood of major water damage to your home. As we continue to rely on technology to improve our daily lives, smart pipes are an exciting development in the plumbing industry that is not to be overlooked. In addition, some smart pipes also come equipped with automatic shutoff valves that can detect leaks and shut off the water supply before extensive damage occurs. This allows homeowners to have complete control over their water usage and be alerted of any abnormalities or potential issues with their pipes. These connected pipes not only offer convenience and control for homeowners but also provide valuable insights for plumbers and water utility companies. With real-time data on water usage, homeowners can easily identify areas where they can conserve water to reduce their utility bills. Instead of manually inspecting pipes or waiting for an issue to arise, they can proactively address potential problems before they become major issues. By providing real-time data on usage patterns and leak detection, these companies can better manage their resources and reduce costs associated with water loss. By embracing these innovations, plumbers can ensure better service for their customers and a more sustainable future for our planet.